Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove text on Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Slides. So the first thing that we're gonna do is go ahead and start a new presentation. You can either click on this little plus or you can choose from the templates. If you want to expand the templates list, you can just click on template gallery and then as you can see guys, the list has been expanded and you can choose any template that you like. For example, I'm going to choose this one. As you can see guys, right now the template is loading. So we're going to wait for it until it's load. And this is how it will look like. Basically guys, if you want to remove a text, go ahead and click on it. And then as you can see guys, uh, we have these borders. That means that the text box is selected. Basically guys, if you want to remove the text, go ahead and click any place and then click on the delete button on your keyboard and you will be removing text from your PC, from your presentation. So for example, if you want to change the text, you can write anything. You can also change the position by clicking on the border, holding it, and then dragging your mouse to the right or to the left and choose the position that you want. For example, I'm going to make it right here in the center. If you want to totally remove the all of the text box, go ahead and click on the border and then right click and click on delete. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.